Dash value equivalent to $26.2261 a coin. The present reach. $25.8862, $26.2753. The earlier day close. $25.9401. The change was plus 0.2860, plus 1.10%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Dash. Dash value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dash cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $27.76. Most extreme cost $28.62, least cost $22.30. The normal for the month $26.07. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $25.61, change for October 7.7%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at $25.61. Most extreme cost $27.99, least cost $23.45. The normal for the month $25.57. Dash cost gauge toward the month's end $25.23, change for November 1.5%. Dash cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $25.23. Greatest cost $28.77, least cost $25.01. The normal for the month $26.48. Dash cost gauge toward the month's end $26.89, change for December 6.6%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at $26.89. Greatest cost $26.89, least cost $21.01. The normal for the month $24.35. Dash cost gauge toward the month's end $22.59, change for January 16.0%. Dash cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $22.59. Greatest cost $22.59, least cost $17.65. The normal for the month $20.45. Dash cost estimate toward the month's end $18.98, change for February 16.0%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $18.98. Greatest cost $18.98, least cost $15.93. The normal for the month $17.76. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $17.13, change for spring 9.7%. Dash cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $17.13. Greatest cost $17.13, least cost $13.45. The normal for the month $15.54. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $14.46, change for April 15.6%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $14.46. Greatest cost $14.46, least cost $11.39. The normal for the month $13.14. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $12.25, change for May 15.3%. Dash cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $12.25. Most extreme cost $12.25, least cost $9.57. The normal for the month $11.09. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $10.29, change for June 16.0%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $10.29. Most extreme cost $12.78, least cost $10.29. The normal for the month $11.33. Dash cost gauge toward the month's end $11.94, change for July 16.0%. Dash cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $11.94. Greatest cost $14.82, least cost $11.94. The normal for the month $13.14. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $13.85, change for August 16.0%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $13.85. Most extreme cost $14.26, least cost $12.40. The normal for the month $13.46. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.33, change for September 3.8%. Dash cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $13.33. Most extreme cost $14.69, least cost $12.77. The normal for the month $13.63. Dash cost estimate toward the month's end $13.73, change for October 3.0%. Dash cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $7.48. Greatest cost $7.48, least cost $5.84. The normal for the month $6.77. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.28, change for December 16.0%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at $6.28. Greatest cost $7.79, least cost $6.28. The normal for the month $6.91. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $7.28, change for January 15.9%. Dash cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $7.28. Most extreme cost $8.77, least cost $7.28. The normal for the month $7.88. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.20, change for February 12.6%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $8.20. Most extreme cost $8.20, least cost $6.41. The normal for the month $7.43. Dash cost figure toward the month's end $6.89, change for spring 16.0%. Dash cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $6.89. Most extreme cost $6.89, least cost $5.38. The normal for the month $6.24. Dash cost estimate toward the month's end $5.79, change for April 16.0%. Dash to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $5.79. Greatest cost $7.19, least cost $5.79. The normal for the month $6.37. Dash cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.72, change for May 16.1%. Dash cost expectation for June 2026.